Hello, David here, and the project for today is replacing a burned out headlight on a 2015 Honda Fit. This is the right side headlamp, also the passenger side. Let's open the hood and get to it. Find the bulb right there. Pull the harness up, just pull straight back on the wire jack. Wiggle slightly, like that. Rubber boot comes off. Okay, I'm filming into a mirror so you could get a good angle on that. There's a spring clip holding the bulb in. You should be able to push in and then slide up to get that clip out of the way. See that? And I should be able to remove the bulb just like that. Which way was up? Okay. There we go. This part was up. The middle tab is up. This tab is up. The middle tab of the terminal is up. This is the replacement bulb. It's a 9003. It's got the high beam and the low beam all incorporated into one headlamp. When you handle this bulb, make sure you don't touch the bulb part with your fingers. This is the old one, I can do that. I don't know if this is a high temperature bulb or not, but on the high temperature bulbs, if there's any oil or grease on the bulb, the heat intensifies around that oil and it burns out the bulb faster. So I have a habit of wiping it down with an alcohol swipe and then drying it, and then not touching the bulb when I'm installing the bulb. Because you never know at the factory if there's any oil or grease on it from the factory work. So I always do that on brand new bulbs. If you only keep your car for 3 or 4 years, you don't have to do this. But for extra credit, you could spray this rubber grommet down with some silicone spray. That'll keep it from drying out and cracking after a long term. I'm using some of this CRC silicone, not a sponsor. Make sure you don't get this on the bulb. That would be catastrophic. Okay, got some alcohol. Gonna wet 1/2 of the towel. And clean off the bulb. And dry it with the other half. Dry it with the dry half of the towel. Put the bulb in. Remember this part? That side goes up. Make sure the wire is out of the way. Yeah, push the wire in place. Okay, I finally got it hooked in. It's hard to do it when you can't see what you're doing. Time to put the grommet in, and these tabs go outside. Press it on really good. Doesn't matter if it's timed at all, it goes on in any way. get the connector. Put the connector in. Remember, the middle terminal is at the top. And that's what it looks like through the mirror. It works! Woohoo! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Click that bell so you can get notifications of more great video content. Bye now.